searching for a hoodie for your pooch. After researching over 45 different options, we tested the top 5 rated dog hoodies. Not all dog garments are created equal, some are fashionable, some are functional, and some are a healthy combination of both. We were sure to put every hoodie through the proverbial ringer, so that you know what you're committing to before buying. We suited up our pups time and time again for hikes, runs, and dog park hangouts, in an attempt to provide the necessary information you need to make an informed purchase. We realize that clothes are lower down on your canine's hierarchy of needs, which is why we've also tested the everyday basics for your dog. There are numerous options for cheap best dog hoodie, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable best dog hoodie from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Links in the description box for each products mentioned. Number 1. Ellie Dog Wear Zip Up. The Ellie Dog Wear Zip Up is a basic zip-up sweatshirt with a large hood and a Velcro pocket. It comes in 5 different colors, all somewhat nude and organic looking. The first thing that stood out to us about the garment was its quality. The thick material, versatile fit, and tight stitching made us a little sad that Ellie Dog Wear doesn't make matching human hoodies. The sweatshirt material is cropped at the belly but runs further down the back. This allows for optimal surface area coverage without getting in the way of your pup's potty needs. The fit is next to perfect, the size chart is accurate, and the sizing is mostly inclusive. The XXL probably won't fit your Great Dane or Bernese Mountain Dog, but it will definitely fit your stocky pit bull. The zipper is metal and glides with ease even after your dog decides to roll around in the mud. Yes, we are speaking from experience. Number 2. Fitwarm Puppy Pullover. The adorable striped Fitwarm Puppy Pullover is a stylish polyester cotton blend pullover. The slightly baggier fit gives it strong loungewear vibes, and the 3/4 sleeves are a unique touch. This pocketless, buttonless, zipperless dog hoodie is easy to slip on and off, and the material on the stomach and back are thick and warm, while the sleeves and hood are thinner. This allows the hoodie to breathe a little, ensuring that your pup doesn't overheat. The thin hood also flops around slightly less than some thicker ones we tested. This sweatshirt's somewhat loose fit is flattering and ideal for dogs who don't like tight clothing. The leash hole is placed at the base of the hood rather than on the back, which works better with a collar. The high-quality fabric is soft to the touch, warm, and machine washable, but we do not recommend drying this garment unless you don't mind a little shrinkage. This particular dog hoodie only comes in one color and pattern, but Fitwarm has quite a collection of different styles and colors. Number 3. Zack and Zoey Basic Hoodie. The Zack and Zoey Basic Hoodie is the perfect addition to any pup's wardrobe. The many color options, basic design, and stellar fit make this a very versatile garment. It feels like a human hoodie made for dogs with a soft interior and plenty of warmth. Many companies don't bother making clothes for larger breeds, but Zack and Zoey do a great job making sure that this basic dog hoodie is inclusive of all sizes. This simple buttonless and zipperless sweatshirt is easy to put on and take off and can be thrown in the wash with your human clothes. Since it is mostly cotton, we suggest letting it air dry to avoid shrinkage. The small leash hole works great, and the pocket on the back can easily hold a few poop bags. We tried putting treats back there too, but felt it was a little cruel. Number 4. SILD Dog Jean Jacket. Is your pooch all about kicking butt, taking names, and looking fly while doing it? Well, then they need the SILD Dog Jean Jacket. The snap up front makes taking this garment on and off easy, and the built-in hood snaps down when it's not in use. This sweatshirt is a little less about keeping warm and more about looking cool, which is sometimes just as important. The details are adorable. A few distressed scratch marks on the back make it look like your tough little guy got into a fight. Not that we condone that kind of behavior, but a tough chihuahua in a distressed jean vest. It doesn't get much cuter than that. The SILD jacket is definitely more about fashion than function. The thin denim offers virtually zero warmth. Number 5. Bingpet Security Hoodie. The Bingpet Security Hoodie is sure to get attention and laughs out on the streets. It comes in a few different colors and rocks the word security on the back. The inside is very soft and cozy, and the leash hole is strategically placed at the nape of the neck. It offers a rather inclusive size range and easily fits several breeds from Chihuahuas to stocky Goldens. However, the hood is rather small, so it doesn't fit seamlessly on most dog heads. That being said, a smaller hood bounces around significantly less, which can be more comfortable for some dogs. The drawstrings are small but a nice touch. This hoodie is machine washable, but we don't recommend putting it in the dryer, as it is mostly made of cotton. The security hoodie is fitted and cozy, but it seems to run a little small. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.